David, I heard you received many questions from the public regarding the EMAS 7 PHEV.
As a matter of fact, we actually did. So since opening for bookings, we have received a number of questions. And so today we've compiled a few of the popular ones to address today. So, Naim, why don't you start us with the first one?
Sure, David. Can you tell us, boleh ke nak charge je tanpa isi minyak?
Oh, boleh je. So the EMAS 7 PHEV is an electric first vehicle. So you can just charge and drive the car just like any other EV. Oh yeah, I have a question for you too, Naim. Convenient ke hari-hari kena charge sebab bateri kapasiti nampak macam kecil je berbanding dengan EV lain?
Tak payah charge tiap-tiap hari pun, David. You can drive it with just the engine and still get excellent fuel efficiency. However, you will get more out of the EMAS 7 PHEV with charging. Plus, charging every week can better ensure the accuracy of the mileage instruments.
Oh, and this question was asked a few times. Will this battery degrade quickly?
Ah, yes, a valid concern indeed. Well, the EMAS 7 PHEV uses LFP batteries that are much more stable and are rated for 3,500 cycles, which equals to longer total distances compared to batteries in older PHEV cars. And I think we just got time for one more question.
Yeah, I think we do.
Kalau maintenance, kena dua-dua kan? Minyak dengan bateri.
Sebenarnya, sistem dalam EMAS 7 PHEV seakan dalam kereta biasa saja. Satu enjin dengan satu gearbox. So maintenance sama saja dengan kereta biasa. Dan yang paling best tuan-tuan puan-puan, servis setahun sekali sahaja. Bukan 2 kali setahun macam kereta biasa.